friend. The Jude is this mommy.
You're Jude and this is mommy?
Yeah.
Why are you talking too fast? And what are we going to prepare today, Jude? An easy snack? What do we need? Peach?
Peach, yeah.
And what do we have on this side?
Yogurt. Honey.
Hemp seeds?
Hemp seeds.
Coconut oil?
Coconut oil. That's it.
But there is one more ingredient.
Yeah.
We still need granola. Right?
Yeah.
That's why we have these ingredients on the side. Although we did a video before and we showed you how to make a homemade granola, Jude is going to demonstrate that again for you, right? Okay. This recipe for today is nutritious. We chose this one because it's easy, it's fast, and in case you don't want to do a lot of baking and a lot of dishes at the end, so this will not require too much utensils, right? We will be baking, but just baking a fruit. Yeah, okay. So what do we need to do, Jude, first? Are we going to cut this into half?
Yeah.
Do you want to show our friends how we will cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, into 2 halves. Okay, go in.
Do you want it?
Yeah. You want to start by and roll. Yeah, so we're rolling to the other side. Let's roll downwards. Let's roll downwards. It's juicy.
Yeah, it's juicy.
You see the fruit juice coming down?
Yeah.
That's it.
Open it.
Okay. Oh, that's the pit.
Yeah.
We will remove the pit.
Yeah. Move the pit.
Okay. Put it on the side. And what do we need now, Jude? We don't need this. What do we need? We will have some coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Preheat your oven on 420 degrees, and then take a little bit of coconut oil. Put it on the first one. If you have a grilling pan, you can use this one. It's gonna take like 6 minutes there. And here, just a pinch. Okay, can you spread it?
Yes.
Spread it all over. So we are going to put our peaches in the oven, preheated oven on 420 degrees for around 17 minutes. So this way they will be kind of caramelized and they will be sweeter. Wow, done. So this will go to the oven, and the second one, and we will put them upside down. Ta-da! And this will go to the oven. While our peaches are roasting in the oven, Jude is going to mix the granola. So we need an empty bowl. I'm going to say the measurements, but this is not what Jude is doing because this is just a demonstration. So first of all, what do we need, Jude?
This one.
Yeah, what's this one? What's this?
Seeds.
Oats.
Oats.
Oats, okay.
Open it.
Open the oats. So you need 4 cups of rolled oats.
4 cups.
Yes, but we will put only 1, okay? Here you go.
More?
Is it a full cup?
No.
Okay, so we need more.
It's stuck.
Is it?
Yeah.
You want me to try?
Yeah.
Is this a full cup?
Yeah.
Okay. Add the oats.
Add the oats.
Add the oats. And then, what are we going to add, Jude? That's it. What are we going to add more? What are these?
Chia seeds.
Are these chia seeds?
No.
I see pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds.
Okay, you need 1.5 cups pumpkin seeds or any kind of seeds that you like. You can also, if you don't have any nut allergy, you can add nuts and you can mix them. Yes, so you can add 1 cup and 1 cup as nuts and then half a cup as a seed.
More.
Okay, Jude. What else?
This.
A pinch of cinnamon?
Yeah.
You have to tell them how we are making it. No, not me. Just a sprinkle, little sprinkle. You like a quarter teaspoon? And it's all over here. And then we are going to mix. Okay, Chef Jude. So he's mixing the dry ingredients. You can also add a pinch of salt to them. Okay, then what?
Then now
What do we have here? This is no. What do we have here?
we have here.
Maple syrup and coconut oil.
Yeah.
So we have here,
Ingredient?
yeah, 1/3 cup of coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, and then 1/3 cup of real maple syrup, not regular syrup.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what are we going to do?
We mix.
And mix
Again.
So mix them really well, and then put them in a preheated oven on 350 degrees for 20 minutes. The first 10 minutes you take them out, flip them over, and then press them well if you want them to be clusters, and then take them out after the other 10 minutes depending on your oven. And when you take them out, you have to keep them aside for around minimum of 45 minutes until they completely cool. And then we can add the dried fruits. So you can add raisins, you can add the cranberries, you can add dried cherries. And you have to mix them well until they are all coated with the syrup. Okay, and now to the oven?
Yeah.
It's really much more better to prepare the granola at home rather than buying them ready from the store. You know your ingredients that you are putting them inside. There is no preservatives or additives. True? Okay.
I'll do this too.
Okay, Chef Jude. Here we go. This is the tray that we already baked, and it's completely cool now.
I'll do it.
Okay. Now what are we going to do, Jude? We're going to add 2/3 cup, as we said, of dried fruits. I have here dried cherries and dried cranberries. Yes. Sprinkle them all over. For this recipe, you don't need for the peaches, you don't need the dried fruits inside of it. Okay. And then we mix them, and you can store them in an airtight container.
Mix them now.
Yeah, mix them. Carefully, slowly. He's breaking all the clusters. Okay, shall we prepare our easy snack now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move this. And then we have here the baked peaches. So let's get a bowl. So it really looks like a great, nice dessert. So
Let's turn it.
that's the first.
And two.
That's the roasted peach. What are we going to put on top of it, Jude? Plain Greek yogurt. Oh. If you are going to prepare 2 peaches, that's 4 halves. You need around 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, granola as you like, and then we're going to use hemp seeds. Okay, let's sprinkle some granola on top, Jude.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep this spoon here. Take some granola.
Here.
So yeah.
This.
Granola, this is the fruit, we need the granola. So, see, he likes to prepare his own snack. Sprinkle it all over. We want to add a drizzle of honey. Okay, let's drizzle that on top.
More.
Yeah, you have more. See, it's going down. Whoa. Okay, eat it. Eat it. And to top this off, we are going to top it with some hemp hearts. Hemp hearts are high in proteins and they are also high in omega-3 and omega-6. They are really good for the cells.
More?
Do you want more?
Yeah.
Okay.
More.
That's it for today.
That's it for today.
See, that's it. It's as simple as this and it looks really fancy. Do you want to dig in and tell them what do you think? Okay.
You did?
Yeah. Dig down, deep down to take a peach also. Peach and yogurt and granola. Yeah. Okay. What do you think?
Yummy.
You like it? Tell them. Tell your friends.
I like it.
Okay.
That's a potato to buy. Oopsie.